how to promote digital products on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a digital product and set it for Instagram, also promote it. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to visit Instagram.com. Then sign in into your account. Here, everything is set and everything is good. As you can see, I have a profile, also a profile picture and a feed. Make sure to set everything up from the profile, also the feed. This is very important for selling anything on Instagram because Instagram works like a marketplace on a various menu. So now we are on Instagram. We have the profile and I have some items to sell. I want to promote my digital sales or my digital products. So how I can do that? It is not possibly right or possible to add a digital product on Instagram, but you can promote it. How we can add that digital product? You're going to use one of these templates or one of these platforms. For example, we have Gumroad. You can create digital products or upload them on this platform and then you can share that link on Instagram in the bio. Or you can use the well-known platform which is Etsy. You can go ahead and set the shop manager and then you can add that product. So let's go ahead and create our digital product and I will let you see how we can promote it. Now, the first thing that I need to do, or in my case just, I'm going to visit Canva. Then I'm going to decide what is the nature of that product. Is it an ebook? Is it a software? Or is it something else? If it is an ebook, or for example, or a, let's say, for digital templates, you can create some Canva templates or some design template. I'm going right there into my Canva. Then I'm going to create an ebook. This is the most simple one. So I'm going to type in the type bar or the search bar right there, ebook. Click on enter. And here in a few seconds, it will generate all the templates that are available on Canva. Go ahead and use the correct dimensions that Canva will give you. Then you are going to start creating. For example, in my case, I would like to choose this one maybe, or any of these templates. I'm going to modify these templates as I taste. So for example, I will click on this one, and then I am going to click on customize this template. It will load up the editor from here, and then for the motivational book, I'm going to set another ebook name like Mind Set Development, and here we have it. So written by, I'm going to put my name, for example, Jack Smith. These templates are free for design, also free for custom use. You can go ahead and use them as much as you want, change whatever you want for them, and also in them as much as you want. Don't let only the original name sit. For example, I'm going to add 3 or 4 pages. So think unlimited, I'm going to put set up or set right or set the right mind, like that. I'm going to delete this because I think I don't need it. So set the right mind, and I'm going to set it only on this one, like this. Put it smaller, like that, and here we have it. So now this is an ebook, for example, to learn how to live right. For example, this is just an example. Nothing is influencing anything real for here. You can even though right there select all of this right there text and set it like this one. Maybe this is the right font. So I'm going to change the color of it to maybe to the orange to match the theme. And here we have the lamp. I'm going to set it like this. Maybe I will click on control to make some free movements. Make it like this, maybe even smaller. Here we have it. And now I have changed a little bit of the design. This is the version before and this is after. So right there, I highly recommend you, if you are creating an ebook, you can go ahead and use the help of ChatGPT. For example, in my case, I will go ahead and select any of these, and I'm going to delete all of these. For example, let's go ahead and use this orange. So I will copy this color, copy it and paste it right there. You can see it like this. You can copy some of the contents from here, like the content page, and also let's say this one. Content, don't need this, like this only. And you can set the introduction, chapter 1, 2, 3, and the conclusions. I'm going to start right there with the chapters. Put whatever you want from here. So I'm going to delete those because I will not fill them. And now for the most important part is to download it. Now, I will get, let's say, the first one, which is the digital download. I'm going to select the file type as PDF standard. So I will download it like this. And then we're going to get an image of that ebook. So how we can do that, we are going to click on download again. And for the pages, I'm going to select only the first page. And I will choose the type as PNG. Now this is a cover for our ebook. And if you want to create another cover, you can go ahead and click on the resize and magic switch on Canva if you have the Pro subscription. So we are going to transform it or resize it to something else. Let's go ahead and set a custom form like this. Maybe this is a landscape for the width of, I'm going to put 1280 by 720 pixel. Continue, and you are going to see the preview of it. This is it. I'm going to copy and resize, and we are going to get it like this. Open that, and here we have it. So I'm not going to let this because we only need this one. Click on share again, download it as a PNG, and here we have the cover. These covers are very necessary. So the other cover that I need you to download is right there, the Instagram post. So you need to recover this as a social media, and then we are going to set it as Instagram, let's say post, because we are going to promote it as a post like this. So we are going to resize it like that. But before that, we are going to add something from here. I'm going to set something bigger like that. Link in bio. So go ahead and set it like this. This is the call to action. So we are going to set it as Instagram post portrait. Click on continue. Get the copy and resize. Here we have it. I'm going to download this as the last one. So we're going to download this only. Wait for the share button to appear. Like that. PNG also. Not the second one. I have made a mistake. For the second one, I only need that first one. So we are going to download it again. And here we have it. Now, let's go back to Gumroad or Etsy. Choose your marketplace. I'm going to use, in this case, Gumroad. Go right there into your Gumroad account, like that. And we are going to add as a product. So we are going to select new. And from here, you are going to set the name of the product. How to live better, for example. Or the same name, set the right mind. Set the right mind. Mindset or mind? I don't remember. Mind. And here we have it. So it is a ebook. Here we have the as you can see, the options or the product type. You can set it as right there, ebook or any of the digital product. If it is a ebook, it can be also considered as a digital product. So the price, I'm going to set a $45. Click on customize, And then we have the description, mind, like this. Get your description ready. Everything is going ahead right there. Copy and set. And here we have the cover image. That's why I have downloaded a lot of covered image right there. So we are going to choose one. This is the portrait or the landscape one. For the thumbnail, it will be the same. Here we have it. I'm going to set the call to action by this. Summary, we're going to set this. Ebook. And for the pages, set the number of the pages if you want. I'm going to delete these details. And here we have it. Now, without further going ahead right there, we are going to click on save. And now we are going to upload the computer files. So we are going to set only the digital or the PDF version of that specific ebook. Wait for it and then click on publish. Now we have the link. So we can copy or share it directly on Facebook or get that link. So all we have to do is to go back on Instagram. Then we are going to create a post. And that post should be right there from this one. Go ahead and see the correct format of it. So I think this is the correct format on Instagram. Click on next, like that. Here we have it. This is get your copy now, link in bio. And you can set some hashtags and some emojis. For example, fire emojis and congratulations. Post that particular post or that digital product, a promotion post from here. And then we are going to see something like this one. I'm going to see right there the post. We're going to wait. So the post is shared. We can boost it. If you want to boost that post, you can go ahead and select that post. So I'm going to refresh that page and then we can see the post right away. So click on it and click on boost. Here, if you have the right hashtags and also the right caption, the post will get the attention or the reach that you want. And it will outstand everything or the competitors right there posts. If it is not, simply go ahead and click on boost post right there and click on continue. It will be related to the Facebook account. You're going to continue into your Facebook account, then you are going to follow these steps. You're going to create an ad specific for this one. You can set a target and also you can set a budget and the duration and date range for that specific product or that specific post. For example, what do you want people to do when you see their product? Visit the website or message you or visit your profile. So visit the website. And that website is going to be the link from right here. As you can see, we have this one from Gumroad. I'm going to shop with the attribution or the action, shop now. And then you can set some special requirements and you are going to set the payment method. Go ahead and set the daily budget and commence or begin boosting your post. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.